Today, we brought our people, our knowledge and our experience together from Ørensvåg to Oslo, and from Canada, Houston, Singapore, Perth, and many other places our experts call home. Because your goals are bigger than ever, and we are here to help you deliver. So, welcome to Oslo. We are here to raise the bar. This is where we turn it up again and build together. Now, let's evolve with Omega.
Welcome to the Omega 365 Global Software Conference 2026.
It's really cool to see all the people here. Very excited to be here.
Good morning, everyone. It means a lot to us that you are here today.
Coming to this conference and really socializing with all the users, who have a lot of experience talking with company professionals, it really helped reinforce the understanding and appreciation of what this product can do.
It gives the users the options to visualize the project information in the 3D model, but it also makes the 3D model an interface for the project information. So it makes it easy for the user to find the correct information at the right time. And this is the key.
We are in a strange moment in our industry. It's AI everywhere. Sometimes I feel that soon I'm being kind of on the beach sipping a margarita, having agents working for me. Not sure if that's going to happen, but we'll see. AI will improve your existing work processes, for sure. It will eliminate some, and together we are going to innovate and create some new ones.
So getting data structured and connected, we believe, is a key thing, and that can certainly make AI powerful.
As a consultancy firm, we always want to find ways to work smarter, more efficiently, and then we use the different ways in Omega 365 to automate processes, automate workflows. That will free time for us to use for funnier things and for more value-adding things, and it will give us better quality in our processes.
With the goal to connect planning, BIM, execution workflows, and project controls through shared structures and connected project data. And when those parts start working together, we get a much better visibility across execution.
Forget about software, forget everything you know about software. I want to look at your business and tell me what are the 5 biggest things you want solved in your business given unlimited time, resources, and money. It has to be physically possible, but if it's physically possible, tell me what the top 5 are. Maybe none of them are AI food, I don't know, but it's a good starting point.
Trying to live and run billion-dollar portfolios and spreadsheets is a mistake. So what's the solution? Well, it's obviously Omega 365. I'm sure you could guess. But why? Why is Omega 365? Speed, discipline, and visibility.
With a digital system, you can use the completion solution to look at the detailed information in your project, and you can use it to drive that to completion. It's looking at small details, outstanding inspections, outstanding tests, outstanding punch times. It's making it visible and accessible, and you can get people to fix things quickly.
Projects doesn't fail because people don't plan. They fail because plan stops talking to the reality.
By connecting the schedule to risks, to documents, to BIM, to cost, we're really able to make better decisions before problems happen. We're able to measure progress more accurately. We're able to catch problems earlier. And that's what it means really to connect plans to reality.
Operational requirements must be at the center of the solution design. Statnett was one of the early customers for Omega 365. So Statnett doesn't have any custom stuff in the solution. Everything is part of the core solution.
A well-functioning, fully integrated VMware in Omega 365 was a game changer for us. Working closely with Omega over the last years, we can truly see that the solution adapts. Systems and services are not the key. They do not get the job done or create value alone. Information creates value. BIM changed something fundamental. It made information visible. It made complex data easier to understand. And it made information accessible for different users. BIM is not only about 3D models. BIM is about making information usable for people. And when information is usable, the transition from build to daily use becomes real.
Wouldn't it be fantastic to have connected cooling information to every asset with automatic escalations and workflows? How about knowing when a cooling pump is struggling based on data and visualized in BIM?
One of the things I like best about Omega, one of the best things, is the possibility to create these side menus.
And one thing we really appreciate with Omega 365 is the openness of the platform and the close collaboration around improvements and development. And compared to many traditional software vendors, that flexibility is a huge advantage to us. So we believe that with Omega as the rocket in our AFRY onion, the sky is not the limit anymore.
While I was at Microsoft, I led the implementation and even the selection of Omega 365. It was a robust evaluation, and Omega clearly came out as a leader. It was exciting to go on their journey with them as they implement it, and they continue to implement it today. So it was an exciting time for me to join. And when I look at data center industry today, I want to be able to help other data center owner and operators grow and mature, and a system like Omega 365 lets them do that almost immediately. It's 25% efficiency improvement with Omega 365. Phasing out of old legacy technology. These are real results that our clients who use Omega 365 today see.
And it is a fantastic thing that this platform now is really getting strong. And it's all you people here that makes this platform. So again, thank you a lot. It is a pleasure to be here. Thank you.